case study. We got a 2013 Focus. It had one of them things where they shut off the car if you don't pay for it. Somebody unplugged it. I hate to think that it will run being unplugged like that, because if that was the case, people would just unplug it. You know, unless they hide it to where people can't even get to it. I don't know. But I would hate to think that that was, So anyway, first, one thing I'm noticing is it's in neutral. So we're going to start out and we're going to learn the gears. Just like if we was doing a TCM relearn procedure. Even though it should start in neutral, we're going to go ahead and do that. No security light. Can we get some tunes going? Oh, I'll get demonetized, even though I don't have enough likes and subscribes to get demonetized. Because I don't make no money off of this. I'm doing this for free because people watch the videos for help, but they don't like and subscribe. So I'm gonna do it another month or so. If I can't get no subscribers, if I can't get at least 100 subscribers, I'm gonna keep my knowledge to myself. Sorry. Let's do hot functions. See if we can do the trans adapt. First, we'll start with just learning the range. Let's put our foot on the brake. Ooh, no communication. I think we might know what that means. No communication. Well, how about that? We'll check the connections. First, we'll do a full scan. PCM 10 faults, which I believe that's in with the transmission control module. Why ain't you showing me that TCM? Is it because you don't see it? Codes galore. I could stop right here and come back because I know this is a TCM issue. I know it, I know it, I know it. That's in neutral. It's not supposed to be. There was some misfires. Valid internal control module monitoring data received from TCM. Alright, I will be back. Car's been sitting for months. I just cleaned the windshield a little bit. But guess who's driving it? And you know it's not mine because mine doesn't look like this. So yeah, we still got a check engine light. We got a TCM issue. I needed floor to get that TCM going. I moved some cables around. It might not be a TCM issue. I moved the cables around that plug into the TCM because it's also the PCM, and after that it fired up. So I don't think it has nothing to do with that system that's down there. I believe that, and also at first it didn't pull nothing for the TCM. It didn't even show anything. The engine code showed one related to the TCM, but the TCM itself, that module, did not pop up. So at that point in time, it was not seeing it. I moved the wires around, it started up, so now it sees it. Alright, so we know what's wrong with this one, and it's the issue with 99% of Ford Focuses. Before I let you go, the thing is the Ford Focus is broken. I think from the year 2012 up until 2017, if I'm not mistaken, they are broken. And there is no fix for these transmissions. What they do, they extended the warranty to 150,000 miles. And all they do is when your TCM goes out, which is basically the clutch, because the TCM has a clutch in it, and that's the issue, and it's a dry system, so it doesn't work right. Ford knew it before they even put them out, but it was too late. But why they made them for so many years is beyond me, because these would have been decent cars. That's the big issue about them. But if you, one quick tip, because I'm here about giving information. There is a ground wire that goes where you hook up the battery, where you hook up jumper cables at that ground. If you take that ground wire off and clean it, it will give it better. The TCM will start working better, because what they did is they painted that spot, and it's a grounding spot. And multiple people will say that. Another thing, since this is an adapted learning transmission, if you floor it about 3 times and get it wide open throttle, that will reset the learning on it. So like if it goes by your driving behavior. So if you want to reset it, find a safe spot, do it from straight stop, full open throttle. And this is also, if you're using a scan tool, it does the same thing. It has you open the throttle. Only if you ain't got a scan tool, you can do it this way. And that will reset the TCM, adaptive learning. All right, Seago Unlocks here. Please like, subscribe, and share. We got another car on the road. Sorry if I talk too much, but there's so much information because I own one of these, so I know about these cars. Like.